So the new guidelines are the vision less than 3/60 in better eye with available correction. Now what it actually means, please understand. Now let's say you have one eye vision that is 1/60 and other eye vision that is 4/60. So which eye is the better eye? This eye is better eye. So this patient is not blind. But if you have both eye vision 2/60 and 2/60, so both eye vision are less than 3/60. So even in the better eye the vision is less than 3/60. So this patient is a patient who is blind. Okay. So anything which is less than 3/60 with available correction. So let's say the patient is having 1/60 vision, but when I have done a cataract surgery or when I have done a refraction in this patient, basically have put the glasses in front of him, the vision improves. Okay, so that patient, the vision improves to 6/60. So that patient is not a blind patient. Okay, the second criteria is visual field less than 10 degree in better eye. Sometimes in advanced glaucoma patients we have only a tunnel vision left. So even with the pinhole you can see, let's say first letter or second letter, you have a 6/60/6/36 vision. Still this patient is blind because the field of vision is very less. Something which is coming from the sides, he cannot appreciate that. That is basically called your field of vision, and any field of vision which is less than 3/60 and any field of vision which is less than 10 degree is the patient is blind. Okay, so what